Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain HVMC, and today we are showing you the pivoting spare tire carrier 2.0 from Polaris. All right everyone, thank you for checking in. So today we are showing you the pivoting spare tire carrier 2.0 from Polaris. If you've been shopping for one for your Pro XP, this is a really good option. It's really well built. It's made from powder coated steel. The mounting is simple. We'll talk more about that here in just a moment. But what's unique about this spare tire carrier, just like the name says, it pivots up and out of the way. There are gas struts on here. And what's great about that is for the people that want to maximize their bed space, you want to put gear inside here. Maybe you have a cooler that you want to put in the bed. You want to be able to open up the lid without it hitting the spare tire carrier. Well, with this one, you simply pull on the handle right here in the front, and it lifts up and out of the way. And with those gas struts, you don't have to worry about this coming back down. So like I said, it looks good on the machine. Another great benefit to this is that if you don't have a spare tire on there, you could, in theory, utilize this as just a rack. You could put a cooler on top, you could put some gear on there, strap it down, so you kind of get the best of both worlds there. One thing I do want to mention that we noticed that we want you to know is that putting this on, we had our Tusk polycarbonate rear window on here. It does not work with the rear window, so that is something that you would want to know before picking this up. But as far as the install process goes, it's simple. You've got 4 mounts. You get those mounted right to the roll cage, and then you just kind of line everything up. Instructions will come included, but you get that, you get your gas struts installed. It's a pretty simple process. Now they say 5 minutes or less. That's a bit of a stretch if you ask me. I did it today for the first time. I'd give yourself 30, 40 minutes. If you have a friend to help you out for a couple of the steps, that will be useful. But overall, pretty dang easy to do. Now this will fit up to a 32-inch tire, keep that in mind, and the ratcheting Y-strap on here does come included with this as well. If you have questions or comments, we would love to get those answered, so make sure to leave those in the comment section below. To grab yours, 2 easy ways to do it. Click on the link in the description or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. All orders are $75 ship free, and if you like this video and you want to see more great products for the Pro XP, well, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and stay up to date. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.